In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust audio volume in Google Slides. It's a handy way to ensure your presentations have the right audio balance for your audience, whether you're in a classroom, a business meeting, or any setting where sound plays a key role. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll need to insert your audio into the Google Slides presentation. Start by navigating to the Insert menu at the top of your screen, and from the drop-down list, select Audio. This action will open up your Google Drive, where you can pick the audio file you intend to use. It's essential to ensure that your desired audio file is already uploaded to your Google Drive. Once you've selected your file, an audio icon, resembling a speaker, will appear on your slide. This icon signifies that your audio has been successfully added to your presentation. Now, with the audio icon in place, the next thing you'll want to do is open the format options to fine-tune your audio settings. To do this, simply click on the audio icon you just placed on your slide. Immediately afterward, navigate to the toolbar and click on Format Options. This action will reveal a side panel filled with various configuration options specific to your audio file. Focusing on this side panel, you'll need to direct your attention to the Audio Playback section. In this section, you'll find a feature labeled Volume when Presenting. This is essentially a slider that allows you to set the desired loudness of your audio during your presentation. Slide it to the left for quieter playback or to the right for louder volume. Finding the perfect balance is crucial to ensure your presentation is neither too overwhelming nor too faint for your listeners. Beyond volume control, there are other useful settings in this panel. Consider the Start Playing option. You can decide whether the audio should begin automatically as soon as the slide is shown, or if it should play only when clicked. Choosing automatically may be ideal for a seamless transition between slides, while on-click gives you more control over when the audio begins. If your presentation would benefit from continuous sound, you'll appreciate the loop audio feature, which allows the audio to repeat throughout the slideshow. Lastly, for a cleaner and more focused presentation, you can opt to hide the speaker icon when presenting. This is done by selecting the Hide Icon When Presenting option, keeping your slides uncluttered and visually appealing. There you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently control your audio settings in Google Slides, enhancing the overall quality and effectiveness of your presentation. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.